Listen, I got something I want to tell you. And this is just Hey there, it's Ishi here, Ishi in the garden, the edible landscape that I have. Listen, I got something I want to tell you. And this is just a little short tip. Stop buying green onions. Why do I say stop buying green onions? Because, look, this is what you can do. This is the reason why I say stop buying green onions. All you have to do is plant your own green onions. And this is one of the easiest things that can grow in a garden, I believe. Just keep your soil level high. And I think I have about 15 pieces of green onions right here in this little garden pot. And once they grow beautiful. They are full and thick and season your foods really well. And what I do is just try to keep the tips of them clipped. And let me show you that. I say all you have to do is just clip these dead pieces off. I'm holding my camera, so this is a little difficult. So, see how I just do that? Anything that have the dead leaves on top, just clip them, get them out the way. Yep, those are no good. So, oh, I just love the fragrance of the green onions. And, you know, I keep me a little spoon out here just to loosen up the dirt. See how I just loosen up that soil. Just keep it loosen. It reminds me of cooking in the kitchen. But that's just a little educational tip for you all. It's just to grow your own onions. And they are so easy to grow. All you have to do is cut the root off, sit it in some water till it start taking sprout, and then just put them in your pots. And I have that whole big pot, as well as this pot right here. So I just cut that little piece off. You see how pretty these are? So this is just ready to be cut and taken to the house. Look how pretty that is. Yep, very pretty. All right, then, that's the tip for today. Stop buying those green onions and then grow your own. It's Ishi here. I'll see you next time.